Hey there, welcome to English Nuts. In today's video, you'll learn how to ask for directions through some simple and real-life conversations. After watching and some practicing, you'll feel confident asking for directions anywhere. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons.
Excuse me, could I ask you something?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm a bit lost. Do you know where the nearest bus stop is?
Oh, no worries. The bus stop is just a couple of blocks from here. You'll want to head straight down this street and then take a left at the second traffic light.
Got it. So, straight ahead and left at the second light?
Exactly. After you turn, you'll see the bus stop on your right side. You can't miss it.
Thanks so much. Do you happen to know which buses go from there?
Yeah, most of the buses stop there. It depends on where you're headed. Are you going downtown?
Actually, yes, I'm trying to get to the city center.
Perfect. You can take either bus 5 or 12. They both go that way.
Awesome. I really appreciate your help.
No problem at all. Safe travels.
Hey, can I ask you something real quick?
Sure, what's up?
I'm trying to find a grocery store nearby. Do you know where I can find one?
Oh yeah, there's a good one close by. Just head down this street, and after about 3 blocks, you'll see it on the corner, right next to the pharmacy.
3 blocks down, and it's near the pharmacy. Got it. Thanks so much.
No problem. It's called Fresh Market. They've got a bit of everything.
That's perfect. Is it open late?
Yeah, they're open till 10 p.m., so you've got plenty of time.
Awesome. Thanks for the help.
Anytime. Have a good one.
Hi, sorry to bother you, but could I ask for some help?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the nearest hospital. Do you know where it is?
Yeah, absolutely. The hospital isn't too far from here. You just need to go straight down this road for about 10 minutes, then take a right at the big intersection.
Okay, so straight for 10 minutes, then a right at the intersection?
Exactly. After you turn right, you'll see the hospital on your left. It's a big building with a red sign, so it's easy to spot.
Great, thanks a lot. Do you know if it's open 24 hours?
Yes, it is. The emergency department is open all the time, so you should be fine.
That's a relief. Thanks again for your help.
No problem. Hope everything's okay. Take care.
Excuse me, I'm trying to get to the airport. Could you point me in the right direction?
The airport, you'll need to take the main highway to get there. Are you driving, or do you need public transport?
I'll be using public transport. Do you know which bus or train goes there?
Oh, in that case, you'll want to catch the express bus. There's a stop not too far from here. It goes directly to the airport.
Great. Where's the stop exactly?
Head down this street, then take a right at the roundabout. The stop is right in front of the big hotel. Look for the airport shuttle sign.
Jake, got it. How often does the bus run?
Every 30 minutes or so. Just make sure to check the schedule when you get there.
Perfect. Thanks for the info.
No problem. Have a safe flight.
Hi, I'm new around here and need to visit a bank. Do you know where the nearest one is?
Oh, sure. There's a bank just a few blocks away. Do you want to walk or are you driving?
I'll walk. Is it close?
Yeah, it's about a 5-minute walk. Just go straight down this street until you reach the cafe on the corner, then turn left. The bank will be right across from the bookstore.
Got it. Straight, then left at the cafe, and across from the bookstore. Thanks.
You're welcome. Most banks are open until 4 p.m., but if you need an ATM, they have one outside so you can use that anytime.
That's good to know. Appreciate the help.
Anytime. Good luck with your errands. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English tips from English Nuts. See you in the next video. Ta-ta.